My name is Bore Ayla. District heating is a key initiative to reach the CO2 reduction goals according to Paris Convention by 2030-2050.
Yes, it is. District heating networks are key to decarbonize city, a clean way to reduce carbon footprint. Therefore, BRUGG Pipes and its CALPEX PUR-KING stands for Best Swiss Quality and a Sustainable Solution, proven by our certificates ISO 9001 and 14001. And Bora, don't forget, a low lambda and a patented technology is a key for a good system.
We need to have the best lambda value. We at BRUGG Pipes are working every day to help you not only to expand your district heating networks. With our outstanding expertise in foam technology, we are able to minimize your heat loss exponentially in every millimeter of pipe and bring you one step closer to your emission goal.
Yes, Bora, and do not forget, quality and flexibility are very important.
This is our head of development, such a smart guy.
Our flexible and patented CALPEX PUR-KING heating pipe, available with 1 or 2 medium pipes, is the leading product with the best heat loss figures on the market, which is approved by independent accredited laboratories. With the best insulation, flexibility, fast and easy installation makes CALPEX PUR-KING the energy saver world champion. The real king with the crown.
Thanks to our excellent stock structure, we can deliver you requested pipe length fast and just in time, no matter where you are. By the way, CALPEX PUR-KING, with its patented foam technology, was the best flexible insulated district heating pipe in the annual testing of the Danish Technological Institute. We are so proud, from Switzerland to the whole world.